The Prime Minister is also going to have prominent intellectuals and people from Varanasi as his proposers, for his nomination. The Prime Minister's roadshow will start in a few, that's the roadshow, it will start, and there will be many welcome points is what we hear. The Prime Minister will be welcomed by commoners. The emphasis is on people of Banaras is what we've been told by our BJP sources, and there will also be a visit to the Kashi Vishwanath temple, which is the most important place of worship in Banaras, and the Prime Minister himself has inaugurated and built this Kashi Corridor project, which is seen as transformative for the future and present of Banaras. The BJP, in fact, has been talking about increasing the Prime Minister's victory margin to over 7 lakh this time. Last time it was around 4.8 lakh in 2019, and it was around 4 lakhs in 2014. But yes, Maria, over to you. How important is this event for the BJP and for the Prime Minister? This is also reflective of his confidence, isn't it? So, Maria, how important is this event? What is the mahal like in Banaras, in Varanasi today? Is this also going to be a show of strength and confidence by the Prime Minister? So we'll try connecting with Maria again. So Ajay Rai is the Congress candidate who has contested from Varanasi in the last 3 elections. He has lost, and he in fact came third on all 3 occasions. In fact, in 2014, I remember the election of Varanasi was all the more spectacular, with even Arvind Kejriwal contesting from here. And he had in fact contested in 2014 and he had polled 2 lakh votes, but that was nothing compared to what Narendra Modi had won and polled. The opposition, of course, is talking about hopes on SP Congress alliance, but both parties together just got about 3 lakh votes in 2019. Let me also remind my viewers that this is the 3rd time that the Prime Minister is contesting from Varanasi. In fact, in 2014, he had contested from not just Varanasi but also Vadodara in Gujarat, which is his home turf. Maria is ready with more details on this. Maria, tell us what is the mahal in Varanasi like? So there seems to be some problem with the network there. That is the Prime Minister Narendra Modi's leading a grand road show in Varanasi today. He's also expected to visit the Kal Bhairav temple and also Kashi Vishwanath temple. It's a city of temples. It's a city of Shiv, is what we all know Banaras as, one of the ancient cities of the country with a lot of civilizational glory and pride and history. This is the Prime Minister seeking a 3rd term. Those are various. Look at the colors there. Look at the visuals there. That's also Yogi Adityanath, the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, accompanying the Prime Minister there. The Prime Minister, well, Maria is ready. Maria, over to you.
Varanasi is preparing for the arrival of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He will be covering a roadshow of roughly around 5 kilometers, which will begin from Madan Mohal Malviya Chowk, which is essentially garlanding of his statue, and thereafter he moves covering a distance of 5 kilometers to Kashi Vishwanath temple. I'll ask Pooja to pan and show you the euphoria and the excitement which is there. In fact, such spots have been created throughout this spot of 5 kilometers, where various communities have created these stages where they will be, congratulating Prime Minister Modi. These are members of various communities, be it Tamilians who live here, Bengalis, Marwari community, Gujarati community of Varanasi, who have been very, very active. But overall, the euphoria which is there is similar to what we have seen in the past. But this time it is even more special because Prime Minister Narendra Modi is seeking a 3rd term. I remember when Prime Minister came here in 2014, he had come as a first-time candidate of the BJP because before that it was Murli Manohar Joshi. And Prime Minister Modi at that time was a 3-term Chief Minister of Gujarat who was talking about the Gujarat model of development and saying that he will make it an all-India story. But first, let me get you more side sounds from the people of Varanasi. Here are some students of Banaras Hindu University. आप लोग सब स्टूडेंट्स हैं बनारस हिंदू
जी जी BHU से
जी। तो यहाँ पर आ गए हैं, क्या है माहौल?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत बढ़िया माहौल हुआ है। इस बार हमारा पहला वोट है और इस बार ये पहला वोट हमारा बीजेपी को, मोदी को। बस हमारा 2 रीजन है, एक काशी मथुरा के लिए हम अपना पहला वोट दे रहे हैं और देश में भी बहुत बढ़िया विकास हो रहा है। बनारस को बनारस के तौर पे बना दिए। एक बार कैमरा घुमाएंगे ना तो देखेंगे गजब का माहौल हुआ है। बताइए ब्यूटी भैया।
बनारस में देखिए मैम, जितना पिछले 10 साल से विकास हुआ है उतना उससे पहले कभी विकास नहीं हुआ। आज अगर आप बनारस में आती है तो देखती हैं तो जाम की समस्याओं से काफ़ी ज़्यादा छुटकारा मिल चुका है। साथ में हमारा रोपवे बन रहा है, सारे स्टेशनों का विकास हो रहा है। लंका पे देखिए,
स्टूडेंट्स का क्या इशू है?
स्टूडेंट का मेनली इशू ये होता है मैम कि एम्प्लॉयमेंट को लेकर थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही लोगों को फोकस रहता है। हालांकि एज ए स्टूडेंट मैं ये कहूँगा, ठीक है, धीरे धीरे चीज़ें बढ़ रही हैं, उतना ज़्यादा जितना एक्सपेक्टेशन था उतना नहीं हुआ।
इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बेटर हो रहा है। यस, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर इज समथिंग दैट यू विल
माहौल देखिए। योगी जी वहाँ पे आ गए हैं, वहाँ पे योगी जी खड़े हो गए।
योगी लुक अलाइक
प्रोटेक्शन के खड़े हुए हैं।
अगर BHU की बात करते हैं तो BHU में अभी प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने कई सारे हॉस्टल्स का इनॉग्रेशन किया, कई सारे फ्लैट का इनॉग्रेशन किया जो प्रोफेसर के लिए है। तो BHU के लिए भी उन्होंने बहुत सारा डोनेशन दिया। BHU हॉस्पिटल को एम्स का दर्जा दे दिया गया है।
आपका नाम क्या हुआ?
मैं काशी हिंदू विश्वविद्यालय का छात्र हूँ और मैं आपके माइक के माध्यम से लोगों को ये संदेश देना चाहता हूँ कि देख सकते हैं लोग किस तरह से EVM हैक होता है और जनता के दिलों को जीता जाता है। और एक बार फिर से मैं आपसे कहना चाहता हूँ कि भ्रम निकाल दे लोग, अब की बार 400 के साथ PU के भी पार।
स्टूडेंट्स का क्या मुद्दा है काशी के स्टूडेंट्स का क्या मुद्दा, युवाओं का क्या मुद्दा है?
बनारस का ऐसा माहौल है ना कि मैं क्या बोलूँ, यहाँ लोग
बच्चा भी यहाँ पर है। तुमने ये पहना हुआ है?
भाजपा का टी-शर्ट पहना है।
भाजपा का है ये, और झंडा भी लेकर के आए हो।
हम लोग अपनी जगह से, पूरे बनारस से लोग एकत्रित हुए इस जगह पे मोदी जी के इस भव्य रोड शो को देखने के लिए। और आप देख सकते हैं बच्चों से लेकर बूढ़ों तक में एकदम उत्साह के एकदम चरण पहन लोग मोदी जी को देखने के लिए क्या कहाँ से आ रहे हैं। हम लोग बहुत दूर से आए हुए हैं।
चलिए, okay, so we'll try and get you more voices. So, you know, if Pooja can pan and show the euphoria which is there, there are several students of Banaras Hindu University who are around. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is yet to arrive in Banaras. He will be coming here in another 20 to 30 minutes and then he will be staying the night here, and tomorrow is when he will be filing his nomination papers. But before that, there would be some prayers that he will be offering. Even tonight, he will be going to the Kashi Vishwanath temple for the prayers at the end of the entire roadshow. But the colors of Varanasi is clear. It's the entire city and has been painted saffron. This is something that we have seen repeatedly in Varanasi. It is special even more today because Prime Minister Narendra Modi, remember in 2014 when he won from both the constituencies of Vadodara and Banaras, he had chosen to stay with Banaras, keep Banaras as his constituency. He represents Banaras. He's a member of parliament of this constituency, but he's also an MP who has been available for his people. He has been constantly there to engage with the people of Varanasi, and that is something that we have seen consistently. And let me speak to more people and try and get you voices of women as well. आप लोग सब यहाँ पर खड़े हैं।
हाँ
आप लोग स्टूडेंट्स हैं?
हाँ
बनारस हिंदू यूनिवर्सिटी?
नहीं, हम कोलकाता से हैं।
कोलकाता से आए हैं यहाँ। आप? कोलकाता से आए हैं। और यहाँ पर जो माहौल है, यहाँ पे महिलाएं भी काफ़ी हैं। उधर चलते हैं थोड़ा सा। लेट मी ट्राई एंड गेट यू मोर वॉइसेस। आप लोग यहाँ पर लोकल हैं? लोकल है? यही की रहने वाली? जी। मोदी जी को देखने के लिए खड़ी हैं?
जी, मोदी जी को देखने के लिए खड़े हैं। और
पहले भी देखी है? वो तो रोड शो करते हैं।
हाँ, पहले भी देखे हैं।
ये चुनाव आपके लिए क्या महत्व रखता है?
अब चुनाव क्या महत्व रखता है? मोदी जी महत्व रखते हैं, चुनाव भी महत्व रखता है।
मोदी जी हैं इसलिए चुनाव का क्या महत्व है यहाँ? चुनाव कितना जरूरी है महिलाओं के लिए? चलिए, you know, there are women who are shying away, but yes, let me try and get more voices for our viewers. But yes, you can see people are still gathering around this entire barricade which has been put because the Prime Minister's roadshow will be taking that route, and thereafter he will be moving towards this side. So there are chants of Jai Shri Ram that can be heard. There are celebrations, of this nature that Varanasi has seen, and it is special, as I said rightly. One may say that that the crowd will only swell. We have seen this in the last few minutes, but it is only growing with every passing hour. I'll try and connect with Tanishq also to get you more voices. Tanishq is on the other side of this roadshow. So he is also trying to speak to some people, and he will get you some more voices. But okay, so we have somebody who's a Yogi Adityanath look-alike. आप योगी जी की तरह लग रहे हैं।
ये आपको लग रहा है?
हाँ, आप तैयार वैसे ही होकर आए। हाँ, क्या बोल रहे हैं आप? आपके मुख्यमंत्री हैं उत्तर प्रदेश के।
बच्चे यहाँ के आज काफ़ी 10-12 साल से मैं इस ड्रेस को पहन रहा हूँ।
Okay, Maria, we'll just come back to you. Tanishq is also joining us. Tanishq is also covering the road show. He's our correspondent from Lucknow who has travelled to Varanasi to bring you details from the ground. Tanishq, you have been travelling across Uttar Pradesh. Today was also the fight in Kannauj. How do you see that vis-a-vis the Prime Minister's grand mega road show today? This is also, reflective of not just his confidence, but also, his conviction in his politics, because Banaras, of course, represents what he is. He's a Gujarati, but he has come and sort of established himself, due to his popularity in the country, and Banaras represents that. So how do you see this road show by the Prime Minister today, just one day ahead of his nomination in Varanasi?
Well, of course, Maria, the Varanasi city is abuzz because of Prime Minister Narendra Modi is here. I would like to show you, it is all saffron here. It is all saffron here. It is all saffron, you can see. And at every 100 meters, at every 100 meters, there are different communities who are welcoming. Of course, you can see here, welcoming with the drums of the Vishwakarma community. You can see, of course, here. And a massive, this you can see over there. You can see, of course, the excitement in the people, and at every 100 meters there are people from different communities welcoming Prime Minister Narendra Modi in his constituency from where he has been a member of parliament. I would like to just give you a little bit of feel of what it is here.